Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an update on Mr. Dr. Lynvale Bloomfield, a video that I have done recently. More information around that case have been given to the public, and I wanted to follow up like I said I would. Excuse me if my voice sound a bit raspy. I have a flu and I have a cold, and also today was my first day at school, so that's why you're getting these videos so late. So let's get into the speculations or what has been made public to Jamaican people. They're saying that his groundskeeper was the one that actually found him, and when the groundskeeper found him, he was actually naked with a condom on, covered in blood, and also his shower was turned on and left running. So I wanted to read some of my subscribers' comments on those videos because they're the one that actually made me know about the more information that was given to the public, and I wanted to read some of their comments. And somebody said domestic dispute, him boyfriend kill him, simple. And they're saying that he was gay because, or speculating that he was gay because he doesn't have a wife, he doesn't have any children, he lives alone. So most of the time when people of that part of society, upper echelon people, don't have kids, don't have family, a lot of the times they are homosexuals, and there's nothing wrong with it. But with the type of field he is in, it would have made a lot of people reluctant, and that's why he probably stayed in the closet and didn't really expose his sexuality like that. That is my speculation. That is not factual. That's just what I think personally based on that comment that was made. And somebody said, here we go, I was thinking how long before these politicians go at each other. Let's see how this turns out. And they're saying that somebody wanted his seat and that's why he was murdered. Somebody wanted the position that he held and he was not willing to give it up freely, so they took it violently. And some people are saying that the crime scene was staged because a lot of people that know him personally are coming out and saying that that's not like him, that is not him, and there's something else behind this story. So somebody else is saying whoever did the crime must have fresh cut wounds because he was stabbed, and most of the time men go out fighting. And if this is actually a crime of passion, meaning somebody that he was with, whether male or female, killed him, then they're going to have fresh cut wounds on their hands, and that is going to be a red flag for all the investigators that are doing this investigation. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think his gay lover killed him? Do you think his female lover killed him, or it was just a crime of passion? Do you think that somebody wanted his seat and that is why he was murdered? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.